Happy Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. Today we're in the dining room. We're going to be decorating with all those fun, festive, traditional Christmas colors. We're going to be working on this cabinet over here, and if time permits, the bar cart. You may see my tree right here in the background. I'm just leaving it with bows and 2 candles. That's it. You can leave spaces more scaled back. I don't know, just like it plain. Okay, first things first, I want to show you this garland I added up here with some ribbon, and I took it all the way down here to the coffee bar. I love how the lights look at night. Look at that there they go again. I hate these LED lights. Now it looks like none of them are working, but trust me when I say they're all working. Okay, so right here I have this wood decorative piece that I got from Hobby Lobby. But what I wanted to do was make it more festive, so I have this spotlight that I got on Amazon. You can also get these at Walmart. And I just like how it uplights this architectural piece at night. It's also going to light up 2 other items you'll see in just a moment. So the garland I used up there is the Walmart Sonoma something pine garland. And I'm using the same garland down here. I love it because it has these little wispy pieces and pine cones. So what am I going to do up here? I've got this placed, and I kind of just loop this around my lamps. And now let's decorate the top of this cabinet. Okay, so right here I have a plate holder. I have a gold charger from Amazon, my party plate resembling the Mackenzie Childs inspired look with a mud pie Santa plate. And I'm going to set this in front of my spotlight. So that's what it looks like so far. Next, I have one of my curtain clips that I've told you guys about. I hang all my wreaths with these clips. They're just amazing. And especially for these architectural pieces, because they just loop right over. But I have this wreath, and I just added some ribbon to the top and just let the little tails hang. It's going to look festive. I'm going to hang it on my architectural piece.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas.
Done. Okay, next I have these 2 black lanterns, each with a nutcracker on the inside. And I just like the pop of black with the red, the green, the gold. I think it looks really festive. And you'll see that that spotlight actually lights up the sides. So at night, my nutcrackers are lit up. Now you guys may remember my dining room is in a nutcracker theme. So I'm going to go in with this and this, 2 of these and 2 of these. So I'm gonna place these beside each lantern. Now I'm going in with my little curly Q method where I just take my ribbon and wind it. Pull it out like this and lay it on top of the garland. It's that simple, but so festive. I have these little bells. I'm gonna hang these on the cabinet. I have these little bells. This was a bell garland that I got at Michael's and I just snipped them into pieces. So I'm gonna strategically lay these in the garland to dress it up. So I think that looks really cute and very, very festive. And then right here, I have these candle holders I just stuck down into the tree, and it looks very, very cute at night. But really, this is just a tree in a basket with ribbon all around it. Okay friends, now it's time to decorate the dining room table, and I'm keeping it fun and Christmassy. I'm going for a casual, festive look. I place these Christmas pillows, one at each end. It's cute.
Of my only wish, I don't need a perfect snowman.
Going in with this woven basket tray,
but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights.
And now this adorable Santa. So cute. It's not Mackenzie Childs. It's Regency International.
How they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you. 'Cause you're shining like no other.
next I have this adorable little cloche set. It's got the gold tray and then this beautiful sparkly knob. But to dress it up and give it that sort of Mackenzie Childs inspired look, I'm going to add my party plate to the bottom. And now I have this really cool candle set. It comes in a set of 3, and I'm gonna put 2 on one side, 1 on the other. And now I have these checkered reindeer, definitely Mackenzie Childs inspired, but definitely not the price. I'll link them below if they're still available, with 2 green candles. And since I'm running short on time, I'll just show you what I did on my bar cart. Very, very simple. I just put my favorite holly berry picks from Amazon in this glass vase. I added a nutcracker. I need to add a holly berry wreath right at the base. That'll kind of jazz that up. And then down below, well, that will wrap up my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. This will be my one video this week. Unfortunately, I won't have one on Friday. We have family flying in Thursday night, and my girls are all coming back. So we've got a big weekend planned ahead, and I just know I'm gonna be busy. So I don't wanna promise you something and not be able to deliver. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. Enjoy the rest of your week and your weekend coming up, and I will see you back here the following week. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.